Sasti bafethu sekeze nomyushuni bafethu ochisa kakhulu wenza igame yaba nomdladla yakuthola ukuyisa igame egamini uyibona into le fana ka Sasti bafethu vele watching wa replya uSimamane kana uSimamane bafethu udrophile bana uthi real ball yayibona lonto shaya cover art yakuthola kala khapra yibona lonto leyo wabuya washaya i-distract entswembu kakhulu naye lapha yana yabona yabana lapha vavum phathi ke ahlala kancane ufana wasasta wabona kakapantu naye yazi sajwayeleke zamaqwelazi yazi lithi ngene lana aka abangene bafethu kaloshundu lo
Ngizwa amadoza sengiphumelele bona umahosha sengiphakamele inkomo ebandayo seyifudumeza manje lethi incosa seyihlephulele soke siyamazi uyayifenda cola amadil the cabinet la soke siyamazi uyageda antshalo somnyama khuzi ingane yakhe if it's a 12 you want then it's dimala ngoba that nigga a pussy kathi usendlini usadlala ama PlayStation thina besidlala ama groupie I be 10 songs in the streets and a record label man my pocket like Drewski how the fuck you call yourself Mr. Bully when Bully really got your blueprint
uyayibona into le since ke ngiya lo shundu lona bafethu yazi kunamaline akawachile lapha yana ukuthi yene uBlake makhuzi ingane yakhe number 1 that's a punchline uyayibona into le and then number 2 iline engilithandile lapha yana ukuthi uthi uSimamane uhlanyiswa itotolozi likana Gato nishimizi manje usasitezana ubiza uTony amashplat makangene kule beef uyayibona into le ukuthi mayiqhubeke yenzeke lento because kwasekuqaleni vele uSimamane ngisho uvele wayenza kanje lento wafaka amaqolazi wonke nabo manje sebebuyela ukuthi manje yazini abayisuke ngalendlela mayisuke ngapi because ukhona lapha uTony wa keep statement via ile Instagram status angithola lapho mengezama khona ukukhuza abafana khona yibona into leyo nayo uSimamane wafika washaya yakhe status same thing la ku Instagram naye zama ukukhuza abafana yibona into leyo but ke lonto leyo manje ithele ukuthini ethi amajita manje mawaza afike lana ukuthi manje agcina ke manje sebeshaya music ke manje ukuthi mayibe on lento yibona lonto leyo into engithanda kakhulu about this reply uthi umfana wakakakapani kahle lento lena ngishaye kahle mina ngisemodweni ngiyava eMpumalanga ithi freestyle yayibona into le ngithatha bolova babeka like kwi-style yayibona into le so it was really amazing ukubona bafethu amajita reply ngalendlela aba reply ngayo and wenza ngalendlela benza ngayo bafethu abo ishows ukuthi bafethu it's possible ukuthi hip hop ingabuye ngithola party only if after ama beef la uzoba khona manje ama collaboration not from laba beef but more collaboration uzola ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi solo music omnandi bafethu because already manje amajita I hyper up game and we see ukuthi yazena amajita answembu uyayibona into le special ukakapandlela zengayo bafethu uzomyisho lohluke kakhulu yangithola ireply yakhe lakini isindo is film in depth you understand for mina akazi for umunye umuntu ifayilalanga go and listen bafethu support amajita ephusha esina the same time bona ukuthi ubani ongqo uyayibona into leyo I want ukuthi uThona uzongena nakho awudrop i-comment ungitshela ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi uThona uzongena nawe uzoreplya bulento usashta ichilo na or uzovela athule nje futhi I doubt bafethu khona enye i-distract ezayo nakutshela